TikTok is one of the best social media platforms to make money on in 2022. And inside this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to monetize your TikTok account. I'm going to be showing you 7 different strategies for making money on TikTok. All these strategies are going to be completely beginner friendly. All of them can be set up fast and used inside of your personal TikTok account. And for some of these methods, you don't even have to show your face. So make sure that you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any of these 7 ways to monetize your TikTok account. Making money on TikTok is still simple, even in 2022 and beyond. As you can see here, here's some screenshots from my own success just using my personal TikTok account. Now let's go ahead and jump into strategy number 1, which is affiliate marketing. And if you're unfamiliar with affiliate marketing, what it is you as the content creator sends customers over to the brand, and every time that that customer buys something from that brand, you get a percentage of that commission, and that is what affiliate marketing is in a nutshell. And on TikTok, this is one of the most lucrative strategies that you could be using to monetize your TikTok account. So here's how it works. So you take that free traffic on TikTok and you send that traffic to what is called a landing page. And that's usually going to be a link inside of your bio. Once they hit that landing page, you're usually going to collect their email address onto your email list and then send them over to what is called a bridge page. That bridge page actually contains your affiliate link, and every time somebody clicks on that link and makes a purchase, you're going to get paid a commission. Let me go ahead and show you some accounts that are doing this really well. This is my personal TikTok account, and as you can see, I'm using this very same affiliate marketing strategy. So I direct people to the link inside my bio, and that takes them over to the landing page, which teaches them how to make money online, even if you're just starting off making money online. So this is exactly how this affiliate marketing strategy works, and it's actually one of the best ways to monetize your TikTok account. Let me go ahead and show you a few other creators. Here's an account called Simple Sal Finds, and he's actually monetizing his account with affiliate marketing as well. So what he does is he reviews different viral products on Amazon, and then he directs people to the link in his bio, and that link is actually going to contain all of his affiliate links for all the products that he's talking about on his TikTok account. So as you can see here, he has bathroom must-haves, cleaning must-haves. So if you click on one of these things, let's go with the bathroom must-haves, that's going to take you over to Amazon, and that's going to have his affiliate link. So every time you buy one of these products or anything on Amazon for that matter, he's actually going to get a commission for that, and that is how affiliate marketing works on TikTok. Strategy number 2 is selling ebooks on TikTok. So how this works is you're going to be collecting free traffic from TikTok. You're going to be sending them to your bio, and that's where you're going to have an ebook for them to buy. So what you have to do is create an account around a certain topic that you have expertise in. This could be literally anything from crocheting to how to play disc golf or even how to make money online. And then once you have that ebook, you put it inside your bio. And then once you have that ebook put together, and every time somebody purchases that ebook from your bio, you make money. So let's go ahead and show you a couple of different accounts that do this very well. As you can see here, here's an account called Her Designs Co. And this account actually teaches you how to make money on TikTok selling ebooks. And if you click on this link inside of the bio, that's going to give you that quick start training guide, and that's going to eventually lead to her ebook that she's selling, teaching people how to sell ebooks online. So as you can see, this is a huge lucrative topic that you can just use and implement and make money in tons of different niches. So as you can see here, she's actually turned $50 into $103,000 in 11 months just by selling these types of ebooks. So as you can see, this strategy works really well if you want to monetize your TikTok account by selling ebooks to your audience. Another account that's doing this extremely well is It's Heather's Studio. And as you can see here, she creates content all about Etsy and print on demand. But if you look at her bio, she's actually going to be selling you a free Etsy and POD course below. So if you click on that, you're going to see all of her links, which most likely are going to be an ebook or some kind of course. And the cool thing is you can take this kind of strategy that these creators are using and monetize your TikTok account in the same exact way. Strategy number 3 is going to be selling a service or a certain type of skill. So what you're going to be doing is taking that traffic on TikTok, promoting your skills, which could be copywriting, being a virtual assistant, something like being a social media marketer or manager, or even your Fiverr gigs. So you could promote all those different kinds of services on TikTok, and every single time somebody uses your service or your skill, you get paid as a freelancer on TikTok. An account that's doing this extremely well is going to be Alex here. She actually has a gig on Fiverr that makes her 6 figures every single year for writing content. And as you can see here, she filmed a video that shows that she made $500 from her freelancing biz in just one day traveling the world. So if you can leverage TikTok in order to promote your freelance skill, you're actually going to be earning a whole lot more money because of the exposure that you get on TikTok. Strategy number 4 for monetizing your TikTok account is going to be with dropshipping. Now, in order to do this, you have to find a viral product on TikTok, and then you build an online Shopify store around that product. So you're going to be basically sourcing this product from places like AliExpress, and then after you source that product, you're going to be making videos of that product on TikTok and sending people to your online store. Here's a great example of an account doing drop shipping on TikTok. This is going to be the official Note Glass company. And as you can see here, they sell these LED pieces of glass that you can actually write on. And as you can see, they're getting pretty good engagement, about 27,000 views here, another 14,000 views there. If we scroll down to some of their older videos, you can see that they had 901,000 views here. So they're actually getting tons of exposure for their brand on TikTok, and all they're doing is they're directing people back to the bio where they have a link that goes directly to their store. And once you open up that, you'll see that this is in fact a Shopify store, and they're selling these for $29.99. So every time somebody purchases this product from them, then they go ahead and place an order with their supplier, and then that supplier ships that product back to the customer. Strategy number 5 is going to be sponsorships. So how sponsorships work on TikTok is once you grow an audience, I would say about 10,000 or more followers on TikTok, then you can start reaching out to brands and invite them to pay you money basically to mention their product or their company inside of one of your videos. Now, what you do to find these different kinds of brands is you use marketplaces like Bribe or Activate or even Popular Pays, and that's where a lot of these different brands are going to be located, and you can reach out to them, show them your analytics, show them your engagement rate on TikTok, and see if they're going to be interested in paying you for a sponsored post. And you can actually make really good money from this. I would say on the low end, you can make about $150 per sponsored post if you have really good engagement and high quality followers on TikTok. An example of a creator who is leveraging sponsorships on TikTok is going to be Chase Chappell. And as you can see, he creates videos all about TikTok growth, TikTok ads, and a bunch of other digital marketing strategies. And actually, one of the YouTube videos that he released, he showed that he made $250 from just one sponsorship TikTok that he created on his account. So as you can see, using sponsorships on TikTok to make money and to monetize your account is a great method because there's a lot of different brands who are willing to work with you on TikTok if you have good engagement on your profile. Strategy number 6 is going to be mentorships or one-on-one calls. So what you need to do is you actually need to grow a niche account on TikTok. That could be any kind of topic that is monetizable. So that could be digital marketing, that could be affiliate marketing, that could be how to grow on TikTok. There's so many different topics that you can talk about that you can monetize with one-on-one calls. And in order to make this method of monetizing your TikTok account successful, what you need to do is talk about your success in the majority of your TikTok videos. And then after that, you need to promote your one-on-ones inside of your bio. So direct people who are watching your successful videos to your bio, and you should start booking up your schedule with a bunch of one-on-one calls or mentorships. So here's an example of an account who is doing this really well. They're booking one-on-one calls, and this is going to be Kira Jones. So as you can see, she talks about how to grow on TikTok, and she even offers TikTok scripts to make your videos go viral. So if you click on her store link here, it's going to open up a link that looks like this. And then if you scroll down, you see that she has book one-on-one calls. So if you click on learn more, that's going to take you to a booking or a consult page. And then this is where you can actually get one-on-one help from her personally for $397. So as you can see, when it comes to one-on-one mentorships, there's a whole lot of money to be made because you can charge higher prices because you are giving away your time instead of just giving away information like an ebook. So go ahead and take notes from accounts like this if you want to monetize your TikTok account with one-on-one mentorships. Strategy number 7 is actually using TikTok in order to make ad money on YouTube. So this method is a little bit unique, but a lot of creators are using this method. I've seen it all over in all kinds of different niches. and they're doing very well at it. So what you need to do is make content on TikTok, and then you promote your YouTube videos inside of your TikTok videos, and then that allows your videos to get traction and then blow up on YouTube, which then in turn makes you ad money. So an example of an account who is using this method in order to grow their YouTube channel is going to be Make Money with Stacy Law. So as you can see, she posts different videos about side hustles and how to make money online. But the cool thing is every time that she launches a YouTube video, she actually promotes it on TikTok. Here's an example of how she did that right here. So this video got over 1,800 likes, and as you can see here, her video on YouTube got 692,000 views because she promoted it on TikTok and got traction for that video to pop off and go viral on YouTube's platform. So as long as you're getting good engagement on your videos, you can go ahead and promote YouTube videos on your account at the end of every single one of your TikTok videos as a call to action. And if you have a monetized YouTube channel, you can be making money with AdSense on that channel. Now, if you want even more step-by-step training on how to monetize your TikTok account, I'm gonna go ahead and leave my #1 recommended training program down below this video inside the description. This is called 15-second free leads, and it actually only costs $1, so you're really not missing out on much, and there's tons of value inside of this training course. And this is actually the same course that I took at the beginning of growing my own TikTok account. If you scroll down here, you'll see that a lot of people are actually having success doing this free 15-second lead program. As you can see, this person achieved 10,000 views in 7 days after taking the program. This person achieved 35,000 views just after taking this program. So there's a lot of people finding success after they join the 15-second free lead. So I'll go ahead and leave that down below this video. But if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the videos that are coming up on the screen now. I'm David. I create videos teaching you how to make money online, how to do affiliate marketing, and how to monetize your social media account. So go ahead and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys inside of my next video.